Hello everyone, welcome to SUNYA IAS, and this is your daily video for what to read and how to read for Prelims revision program. And in this video we are going to talk about the environment test number 7. We are almost done with the environment and this is going to be our final test. Alright, so with respect to this test, our theme is energy. For this test you need to do two ministerial reports. One is from Ministry of Power and other is from Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. तो दोनों अपनी अपनी एनुअल रिपोर्ट सबमिट करती हैं. These reports are very huge, but you just need to read the 2-page executive summary which are given at the beginning of both these reports. Alright. Then with respect to energy, you need to cover the hydrogen energy and the hydrogen policy of India. Then we'll be moving on to the biofuels. इसमें you have to do in detail the national biofuel policy of India, double star. ठीक है. Then what are the sources of energy with respect to this ethanol, the methanol. Then shale gas. Which are the areas in India where do we find it? What are the international areas? What are the international technologies which are in use with respect to the shale gas, like fracking? Then coal energy, okay, which is the areas in India where this is found in abundance. What is this agency which is responsible for coal regulation in India? Then these similar things are to be done with respect to all these energy, whether we talk about the solar energy or the wind energy or the waste to energy projects, the nuclear energy. न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी में व्हाट इज द जस्ट डू द एरियाज, ठीक है, जो भी हमारे प्लांट्स वगैरह हैं, एंड बट डू नॉट डू दिस डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्यूजन एंड फिजन एक्सेट्रा. these all the concepts of this nuclear energy will be dealt in the science and technology tests. All right. Then do electric vehicles. What is e-vehicles policy? Hydroelectric energy, इसमें दोनों पे फोकस रख के करना. What is small and large hydroelectric projects, कितना उनका potential installed है, कितना उनका what is energy capacity, दोनों में comparison please कर लेना. Then with respect to next energy, we have the oil, then PNG, moving on to tidal energy, then thermal power plants. इसमें भी focus रखना supercritical thermal power plants. They are in use since last 2 years. Then we'll be moving on to the concept of bioenergy. Then if we talk about the schemes and initiatives, to be very precise, जो हमने करने, national solar mission, national mission for enhanced energy efficiency, FAME India program, GRIHA scheme, revamped power distribution scheme, integrated energy policy. Then market double star, rural electrification policy 2006. It is in use since last 1 year. Then energy conservation building code, Bachat Lamp Yojana, Indian solar loan program, Indian cooling action plan, coal coalition of India. Then polycrack technology, brine, market double star again. This also is in news since last 2 years. It's a very contemporary affair, not been asked by UPSC. High chances that it must be asked in this year prelims. Then sustainable development cell, repowering of wind turbine scheme, green energy corridor project, gas hydrates, and finally the reverse building scheme. Alright, so this is all with respect to the test number 7 of environment. This will be the last test, then we'll be starting on with polity. So give your best, all the very best to your guys. Thank you so much.